Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to add a keyboard language to your XIAOMI A2 TV. First, press the gear button on your remote control to open the quick settings menu. Then select all settings and scroll down to the system menu. In system, scroll down to keyboard, then go to Gboard settings. Select languages. Then select the language you want to add. First, disable Use System Languages Only. Then select one of the available languages you want to add to your system. After switching on additional languages, to switch between them, open any text field. The virtual keyboard will pop up. And to switch between languages, use the globe icon on your virtual keyboard. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.